Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. While using Windows VPS, if you are processing documents directly from your Windows VPS and want them to be printed out from your local printer, you'll need to configure your Windows VPS as follows. First of all, you need to configure the local system. Click Start button and go to Control Panel, View Devices and Printers. Now, right-click on the network printer and select Printer Properties. At Printer Properties, click on the Ports tab and tick on the LPT1, and also tick on Enable Printer Pooling. Click Apply and OK. Next step, you need to configure the remote desktop client. Open the remote desktop connection from your local computer. Click on the Show Options and select the Local Resources tab. Make sure that the printer's checkbox is checked. Click on More and tick the ports. Don't forget to hit the Save button at General tab before connecting your server. Next, you need to configure your Windows VPS. Log into your Windows VPS via RDP. Download and install the required printer driver. After installing drivers, click on Start, Control Panel, View Devices and Printer. Click on Add a Printer. Now, click on the option the printer that I want isn't listed. At the next screen, choose the option, Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and click the Next button. Click on Use an existing port and choose TS001 that generally meet up with the LPT1 port redirection and hit Next button. You need to search your drivers and choose the driver which required and click on Next button. Provide the required printer name. Select Do not share this printer and click on Next button. You can test print by clicking on Print a Test Page and click on the Finish button. Finally, we set Print Spool service to start automatically. Click on Start, Run and then type Services, MSC and hit Enter. On the Services page, find the Print Spooler service. Press right-click on it then select Properties. Click on the Start button to start the service. Set the startup type to Automatic, click Apply, and then OK. Continue to select and restart the Print Spooler service. Sign out from your VPS. Make sure that you don't close the RDP window by clicking the X icon. Log in again via remote desktop connection, and you should see the local computer printer redirected to your VPS.